Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Expedia's refund not received issue. First, check your booking's cancellation policy to confirm that you're eligible for a refund. Next, go to your account and check the refund status or in the tips or your payment sections. Then keep in mind that refunds can take several days to process depending on your payment method and bank. Then check your email for any confirmation or updates from Expedia. If the refund is delayed, contact your bank or payment provider to check if the transaction is pending. If you still have not received your refund after the expected time, contact Expedia customer support for help. That's how you fix the Expedia refund not received. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.